Welcome to 96 Turtle Bay Circle in beautiful Inglewood, Florida. If you're looking for a home that blends coastal charm, community perks, and a relaxed Florida lifestyle, this is the one for you. One of the best features? The community boat ramp. With boat storage available to rent, you'll have quick and easy access to the water for fishing, boating, or simply soaking in the coastal breeze. Start your day on your welcoming front porch. Step inside to your air-conditioned Florida room, a bright and versatile space. Through the sliding glass doors, you'll find a cozy living room, a great place to relax and catch up on the latest news or unwind after a day of exploring. The full kitchen is designed for both convenience and function. When it's time to unwind, head to your spacious bedroom, featuring double closets that provide ample storage to help keep your space organized. Just minutes from Englewood and Manasota beaches, Boca Grande, top-rated golf courses, and fantastic dining and shopping, this home offers the perfect Florida lifestyle. Schedule your showing today.